So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to save a lot of time by automating bulk images and videos on Google Flow. So I am going to show you a way to generate multiple videos and images on Google Flow with one click. Just carry on with me. Google doesn't have a native bulk generator built into Flow yet, so we have to force it. Open up your browser and head straight to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type AutoVEO. Look for the official extension. Click on it and smash that Add to Chrome button. Once it installs, make sure you pin the puzzle piece to your browser toolbar so you have quick access to it. Now, open up your Google Flow dashboard and make sure you are signed in. Now click on your brand new AutoVEO extension icon in the top right corner of your browser. This opens up a custom command box. Instead of typing one single idea into Flow, you can literally pass the entire spreadsheet or list of dozens of different prompts directly into the extension. You can even set it to use VEO2 fast to save your credits. Finally, once your massive list of prompts is locked in, just hit the Start button at the bottom of the extension. That's it, you can literally walk away from your PC. AutoVEO will automatically feed your text into the prompt box. Wait for the AI models to finish generating, auto-download the MP4 and images directly into your hard drive, and immediately move on to the next prompt on your list. Of course, all of that in a whip. It is the ultimate cheat code for scaling your AI content. If this automation trick saved you hours of sitting at your desk today, smash that like button to feed the algorithm and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.